alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My dear brothers and sisters, I hope you're doing very well. Today we have a very important topic about the kinds of letters. In the previous class, we did about mada letters. Okay, now we are going to about the letter of Leen. Okay, Leen. In Arabic terminology we call Leen, and you can say also Leen. Okay, so my dear, Leen letters have two letters. There are two letters which is related to Leen category. Okay, that is wow and ya. Okay, the Leen letter is wow and ya. You see that this is wow, this is ya. Okay, in the whole page you see that wow ya, wow ya. Okay, wow yeah, all right, wow yeah, wow yeah, wow yeah. Okay, so this page, this totally about Leen letters. Okay, so two letters are Leen, that is wow and yeah. So when every letter, every wow and every ya is not Leen, but there is some one condition. Okay, one condition when they become Leen. When they become Leen, when we the wow have sakin, this sign is called sakin. Okay, or jazm. So when wow have sakin, then previous letter have fatha, that will be Leen. Okay, when ya have sakin, the previous letter have fatha, that is Leen. Okay, when wow have sakin, the previous have fatha. When ya have sakin, the previous letter have fatha. When wow sakin, previous fatha. Okay, all right, wow sakin, the previous fatha. Ya sakin, the previous letter have fatha, so then it's become Leen. Okay, I'm repeating again. Leen have two letters, wow and ya. The condition is that when they have Leen, when wow sakin and the previous letter have fatha sign, when ya sakin and the previous letter have fatha sign, so it's become Leen. Okay, my dear. So there are some condition, there are something about Leen when we reading the Leen letters. So the first one is whenever you read the Leen letters, you don't pull. Okay, like mada letter, in the mada letter in the previous video I told you, so mada letter you pull, you make long, you stretching. Okay, but this Leen one, you don't make it long. Okay, for example, this is ta wow fatha tau, you say tau, it's wrong, no extending in the Leen. Okay, my dear. The second thing is we read quick. Okay, we read quick in the Leen letter, like ta wow fatha tau, tau, thou, low, no, dow, show, mo, go, bow. Okay, we read quick little bit, not long. Third, we don't uh, we don't say that it's pronounced softly. Okay, soft, very soft. Tau, tay, thou, they, thou, they, row, ray, thou, they. We don't force them when we reading these letters. We don't force. Okay, so just politely pronounce, very politely. Okay, so we're going to start now. You need to remember the rules and the conditions and the things about Leen letters. Okay, I'm going to read, you need to follow me. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Ta wow fatha tau, ta wow fatha tau, ta ya fatha tay, tau tay, tau tay, tau tay. All right. Tha wow fatha thou, tha wow fatha thou, tha ya fatha thay, thay. Become thou thay, thou thay, thou thay. Okay, dear. Moving on the next one. Dal wow fatha daw, daw, daw. دال يا فتحة داي، دال يا فتحة داي، داو داي، داو داي. Next. ذال واو فتحة ذاو ذال يا فتحة ذي ذو ذي ذو ذي ذو ذي. Okay, look the next. The raw, this raw is bold, not thick. Okay, raw wow فتحة راو راو راو, not rew. Okay, it's bold. Raw raw. را واو فتحة راو را يا فتحة ري 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 راو ري راو ري راو ري. Next. زا واو فتحة زو زو زا يا فتحة زي زو زي زو زي زو زي. Next. Politely, okay? Sin wow fatha saw sin ya fatha say saw say saw say saw say. Next. Sheen wow fatha shaw sheen wow fatha shaw sheen ya fatha shay show shay show shay show shay. Okay, we don't making long show shay, it is wrong totally. Okay my dear. Next is صاد واو فتحة صو صاد يا فتحة صوي صو صوي صو صوي صو صوي. Okay, clear? I hope it's clear. Next. ضاد واو فتحة ضو ضو ضاد واو فتحة ضو ضاد يا فتحة ضي ضو ضي ضو ضي ضو ضي. So if these small part of the word is correct, your word is correct. Okay, so it's very important, very very important, this part of the word if is correct, so your word is correct, your sentence is correct. Okay, it will help you in the Quran when you reciting the Quran. These steps are correct, perfect, according to rules. Inshallah your pronunciation was very very fine. Okay, you enjoy when you reciting the Quran, you enjoy it. Okay, the things you can do, you can apply, you can put your efforts and you put your rules. Okay, you will follow the rules, then it will be good inshallah. So now look. طاو فتحة طاو طاو, it's not tau. Many people said tau, but I told you the difference between ta and ta. So this is ta, not ta. Okay, right? طاو طاو طا واو فتحة طاو طا يا فتحة طوي 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 طوي, not تي. طاو طوي طاو طوي طاو طوي طاو طوي. Right? ضا واو فتحة ضو ضا يا ضا واو فتحة ضو ضا يا فتحة ضي ضو ضي ضو ضي ضو. لام واو فتحة لو لام يا فتحة لي لو لي لو لي. نون واو فتحة نو نون يا فتحة ني نو ني نو ني. Okay, I'm going fast now because inshallah it will be easy. I will finish this page. همزة واو فتحة أو همزة يا فتحة أي أو أي أو أي أو أي. با واو فتحة باو با يا فتحة بي باو بي باو بي باو بي. جيم واو فتحة جو جيم يا فتحة جي جو جي جو جي جو جي. حا واو فتحة حو حا يا فتحة حي حو حي حو حي. Okay dear. Next is second last line. خا واو فتحة خو 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 خا يا فتحة خوي خو خوي خو خوي عين واو فتحة عو عين يا فتحة عي عو عي عو عي عو عي غين واو فتحة غو غين يا فتحة غي غو غي غو غي غو غي فا فا واو فتحة فو فا يا فتحة في فو في فو في فو في. Now this is cough. This is bold cough. Try to make it bold, okay? قاف واو فتحة قو 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 قاف يا فتحة قي 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 قو قي قو قي قو قي قو قو قي قو قي. Now this is thick. كاف واو فتحة كو كاف يا فتحة كي كوكي is not قوقي. Okay, make differentiation between these two letters, qaf and kaf. كوكي. Okay, so that's it for today. I hope you understand. If you did not understand, if you have any question about lesson, about Islam, about deen, anything, you can comment, you can text a comment, and you can ask. Okay, you can put your queries in the comment box. Inshallah, I will tell you, inshallah. Okay, so that's it for today. Hope you understand. All right, so see you in the next class, inshallah. Thank you so much. Take care of yourself. Thank you for watching. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah.